Hey guys, today we are going to be making a discord.js tutorial. We will be making a ping command. It's fairly simple. First off, we're going to make a file. We'll call it pingcommand.js. Now first we'll need to define discord, so const discord require discord.js. If you don't have discord.js installed, you can install it in your terminal with npm I discord.js, but I already have it, so no need to do that. Now we're gonna do module.exports.run. This is how my command handler is. If you have a different command handler, then just adjust it to yours. We're gonna do bot. We're gonna define bot, the message, and the arguments. And then we're gonna make it so the bot sends a message to the channel when the command is used. So message.channel.send. I'm gonna do calculating ping, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna put result message in here. So the result message is gonna be like the edited message with the ping. And do this, and then we'll define ping right here. Gonna do result message not created timestamp minus the message dot created timestamp. Okay, and now below that we're gonna do, see how we define result message right here. We're gonna do result message dot edit, which will edit the message, and then we can put whatever we want here. In this case we're gonna do backticks because we're going to be defining ping. So we're gonna put a emoji here, so ping underscore pong, and then bot latency. Then we're gonna define it like that, ping, and I'm gonna put ms because milliseconds. And then I'm also gonna be adding an API latency, so API latency. And then you'll define it like this. Since we don't have one defined, you can simply do it by doing bot.ws.ping.ms. Now, if you're using client instead of bot, then do client.ws.ping. But in this case, we're going to be using bot. Okay, we're gonna put the command here. This is my command handler. Command is ping. Alias is, I'm gonna put latency. I'm gonna do category. Let's say general. Cooldown, I'd say 5 for normal users, and the args is false because you don't need an argument for this command. Okay, we're gonna save this. We're gonna go into the terminal. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run node dot, so it starts up the bot. Okay, so you can see it loads up, command ping loading. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the command, so ping. As you can see, it works right here. Here's the emoji, ping pong, bot latency 99 milliseconds, and the API latency is 59 milliseconds. Now let's make the response a bit more like good looking. So we're gonna put this in backticks as well. Okay, gonna restart the bot by doing this. Node dot do ping. As you can see, Pong bot latency is 96 milliseconds and the API latency is 59. As you can see, it looks different. I find it much better, but you can edit it to your own liking. You can even make this in an embed. So yeah, that's basically all it. Like I said, if you have a different command handler, just adjust to that. It's pretty easy. And have a nice day.